If you're over 45, does your morning start with stress? What if the first 10 minutes could actually protect your heart? Here's a simple, research-backed routine you can start tomorrow. First, before coffee, drink a full glass of water. Your heart has worked all night, and hydrating first thing helps blood flow and reduces that early morning strain when heart attacks are most common. Next, 90 seconds of gentle mobility. Think slow neck rolls, shoulder circles, and easy spine twists. This wakes up your circulation without shocking your system. Then, 6 deep breaths. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. This simple action activates your vagus nerve, lowers blood pressure, and calms your heart. After that, find some sunlight. Stand by a window or step outside for just 60 seconds. This light helps reset your body's stress rhythm for the entire day. Finally, a quick heart rate warm-up. March in place or walk around, nothing intense. Just get your pulse up slightly. Do these 5 steps and you're not just waking up, you're building a stronger heart. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tips to live better.